As we grow older, our bodies start sending us little signals that we can't ignore anymore. One of the most frustrating of these signals is leg cramps. Those sudden, sharp pains in your calves or feet that often strike at night or during simple movements. If you've ever been woken up in the middle of the night with your leg tightening like a knot, you know how painful and scary it feels. For many seniors, leg cramps are not just uncomfortable, they can also affect sleep, mobility, and overall confidence in daily life. But here's the good news. With a few simple changes in your diet, you can ease those cramps, strengthen your legs, and start feeling more energetic again. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 powerful foods that can help prevent leg cramps in seniors. These foods aren't rare or expensive, you probably already know them, but the way they work together in your body is almost magical. If you start adding them to your diet, you may feel the difference in just a few days. And by the end of this video, you'll not only know what these foods are, but also why they're so effective and how you can make them a part of your daily routine without stress. Let's begin with the first one. Imagine this. Your muscles are like tiny machines. For them to contract and relax smoothly, they need the right balance of minerals. One of the most important minerals for muscle health is magnesium, and one of the best natural sources of magnesium is bananas. Bananas are soft, easy to eat, and packed with this muscle-friendly mineral. When your body lacks magnesium, your muscles may contract suddenly and painfully. That's what causes a cramp. By eating a banana each day, especially in the morning, you give your body the fuel it needs to keep your muscles calm and balanced. Seniors often love bananas because they're gentle on digestion, easy to chew, and naturally sweet. So if you struggle with nighttime cramps, try eating 1 banana a few hours before bed. You might just find yourself sleeping more peacefully without those painful interruptions. Now let's move to the second food. You've probably heard about the importance of potassium for your heart, but did you know it's also essential for your muscles? Potassium works hand in hand with magnesium to keep your muscles flexible and strong. One of the richest, tastiest, and most refreshing sources of potassium is oranges, or even better, a glass of fresh orange juice. When your potassium levels drop, your muscles can stiffen, making cramps more likely. That's why athletes often drink orange juice or eat oranges before training to prevent muscle strain. For seniors, the effect is just as powerful. A daily glass of fresh orange juice can help maintain your electrolyte balance, improve blood circulation, and keep your muscles working smoothly. The bright, tangy flavor is also a natural mood booster, reminding you that health can be joyful, not just a duty. Finally, let's talk about the third food, one that many people forget about, but it can be life-changing when it comes to preventing cramps. Leafy green vegetables like spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of minerals, especially calcium and magnesium. You might think calcium is only for bones, but it plays a key role in muscle function too. Without enough calcium, your muscles may twitch, spasm, or cramp. Spinach also provides iron, which improves blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Just imagine your muscles being bathed in fresh oxygen and minerals each time you move. That's what spinach can do for you. If you don't enjoy spinach on its own, you can add it to soups, smoothies, or stir-fries. It's such a versatile food, and once you make it a habit, your legs will thank you every day. Now, let's pause for a moment and think about this. Leg cramps aren't just a random annoyance. They are your body's way of crying out for help. They say, "I'm missing something, please pay attention." And often that missing piece is not medicine, it's nutrition. By giving your body bananas, oranges, and spinach, you're not just filling your stomach, you're feeding your muscles the very things they've been begging for. Isn't that a beautiful thought? That something as simple as a piece of fruit or a handful of greens could save you from nights of pain and frustration? Of course, food is only part of the solution. Let me share a few bonus tips that can make these results even stronger. First, stay hydrated. Dehydration is one of the silent causes of muscle cramps. Seniors sometimes drink less water without realizing it, and this can trigger cramps at night. Try sipping water throughout the day instead of drinking too much at once. Second, stretch your legs before bed. Just a gentle stretch for your calves and feet can relax your muscles and prepare them for rest. And third, keep your body moving. Even light exercise, like walking or chair yoga, keeps your blood flowing and your muscles flexible. Combine these habits with the 3 foods we talked about, and you'll be building a strong, reliable system against cramps. But let me also say this. Don't feel guilty if you've been suffering from leg cramps for years. It's not your fault. Nobody teaches us how to age gracefully. Nobody tells us that the little choices we make every day, like whether to eat a banana or skip it, can make such a difference. But now you know. And knowing is powerful. From today forward, you can start taking small, easy steps to care for your body, and your body will reward you with more comfort, better sleep, and the confidence to move freely. So let's put this into practice. Tomorrow morning, start your day with a banana. At lunchtime, add some fresh spinach to your meal. And in the afternoon, enjoy a glass of orange juice. That's all. 3 simple steps, 3 simple foods. Do this for just 1 week and see how your legs feel. You may notice fewer cramps, more energy, and even a lighter mood. And once you feel the results, you'll want to keep going because your body will be showing you the proof. Remember, growing older doesn't mean giving up your comfort. It doesn't mean living with pain as if it's normal. Your body has the ability to heal and recover, even now. All it asks is that you give it the right tools. Bananas, oranges, spinach. They may seem ordinary, but inside your body, they become extraordinary. They become protectors of your muscles, guardians of your sleep, and partners in your journey to health. If you found this message helpful, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you love, maybe a friend, a parent, or a neighbor who struggles with leg cramps. Sometimes, the smallest piece of advice can change someone's life. And if you're ready to take this journey for yourself, let us know in the comments which of these 3 foods you'll be starting with. Will it be the sweet banana, the tangy orange, or the nourishing spinach? Whichever you choose, remember, your health is in your hands, and every small choice you make brings you closer to strength, comfort, and freedom.